Good day. Thank you for visiting the Uber for Mobile Mechanics. Welcome to the Mobile Mechanics Online. Imagine being broke down on the side of the road, at the supermarket, the mall, or at your job. Yet with one call, a certified mechanic arrives. In most cases, with the parts and tools to fix your car or truck. You come out, get in your vehicle, and you are on your way. Repaired while you are at work or while you are shopping. We also offer emergency services. Being broken down on the road in the middle of the night with your family can be a scary time. Don't worry, we are on our way. Certified, trustworthy, affordable, and guaranteed. People that know, call MMO. Call today.